Careful, don't push on the table. It moves the camera. Come on. This way.
Okay. Mommy, super magic.
Yeah. You wanna come up and say hi on the camera?
Buddy scares me.
Yeah. Come on.
Hey.
Come here. Come here. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Can you say hi?
Hi.
So we are back out. I had to film today because it is a beautiful day out. It is around 50 degrees and sunny, and the wind isn't too bad right now, so we're having a good day out here. So my dad's up working on the roof on this back side of the house.
I'm eating a cookie.
And you're eating a cookie. Good job contributing to the project. So he's working on the soffit on this back side so we can start putting up panels on the back side of the main roof. Hopefully that will move quickly, and as long as the wind stays low and we don't have any major wind.
Buddy scares me.
Oh, Buddy, our dog Buddy scared you because he walked over here? Yeah. And so we're hoping to get as much of the roof on. We have the possibility of some more storms this week. So
Storms are scary. Cool.
yeah, they're scary cool. Yeah. So we may get some more snow again this week. We've had a ridiculous amount of snow this winter, definitely more than usual. So just karma, because we're in the middle of building a house and living in trailers. And
Mommy,
of course we get that much snow.
Go?
Abby's sleeping.
Her sleeping in her crib.
Yeah, she's sleeping in her crib. So we're out here today working on the roof, and
I'm working on the wall.
yeah, you're gonna help Mama with the wall. We are going to finish up some taping here on the back side.
And I'm going to ride my bicycle.
You're gonna ride your bicycle? Awesome. So we've got some mostly corners left on this back side that we have to finish up. Most of the taping is done, and most of the nails are flashed. We just have to get some corners done. So we're getting close to finishing all of our taping and our nail flashing. So hopefully we'll be able to finish that up here over the next week as well. And then we will...
Getting down.
You're getting down, okay. And then we will hopefully get our roof done this week. This is gonna be the goal. And
Mommy.
then the exterior will be all done. Yes, you see Mommy on the camera. And then the exterior will be all done except for the siding once we get the roof and the weather barrier. So that's what we're working on today, making some more progress towards that. So we'll go ahead and jump into it. Subscribe to the channel. wind got crazy. We were gonna, the wind was not a problem all day. And then, so my dad was working up on the roof while I was doing some taping and flashing down here. And then the minute we start lifting up the platform to start laying a couple panels on the roof on the back side, the wind picked up like crazy and there was no way we were gonna be able to lay any panels. And then the wind just got worse and the temperature really dropped. Like my face is frozen from the wind right now, so it's hard to talk. And we had panels trying to get flown away in the wind, and so we had to rush and tie those down because we had just been moving them around because we thought we were going to be able to go up on the roof, and so the wind really did a number on us this afternoon. But we moved on to flashing the second patio doorway opening, and I was able to get that all flashed, so that one's ready to go. We've got some nails that were missing in the panel above that doorway and some flashing to finish up, and then the corners on the cantilevers, but we're almost done with our flashing. Just a few more outside corners to go and a couple more inside corners, and then we'll be done with our flashing and weather barrier. And we'll try maybe tomorrow to put in that patio door and get that one in and just continue working on what we can. There's supposed to be some wind this week, I think, so we'll kind of have to work around that depending on what it's doing and whether or not we can continue on the roof. As long as the wind is not bad, we can work on the roof, but if not, we'll have to work on some other things. But there's plenty to do around here, so we're putting in a lot of good work, but as always, dealing with the weather is unpredictable, especially as we're getting closer to spring. Still technically winter here, but getting closer to spring, and so the wind's really picking up, and that makes it difficult when you're dealing with long metal roof panels. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next video and the next update. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.